been washing your clothes wrong all your life and you didn't know it. Washing is something we all do often at home, but many of us have made some mistakes that can damage the clothes, make us waste money, and even ruin the washing machine. Today, I am going to show you some washing mistakes that you may have made sometime in your life and how you can avoid them. Once you know this, you will tell everyone and you will thank me for life. Number 1. If you have clothes that have zippers, you should never leave them open, because when you start washing, other clothes can get stuck in the zipper, making it decompose. So always close it completely. All this that I mentioned also applies to jeans, blouses, or jackets that have buttons, since in the movement of the drum, other clothes can get hooked on these, making them break. Number 2. Whenever you go to wash clothes, first turn them over, especially if the clothes have some printed design or have a dark color. With continuous washing, the detergent makes the clothes lose the prints and color, and in turn makes the clothes crepe. Number 3. Check the pockets of the clothes before washing them, since we almost always put money, paper, or some important document inside them if we don't want them to get lost. And even worse, if you wash the garment with something in your pockets, this will make it fall apart, and your washing cycle will be a disaster, causing the paper to stick to the other garments and even cover the drum filters of the washing machine. Number 4. Never overload the drum too much. On the machine's dashboard, the manufacturer almost always specifies the maximum weight that the washing machine can load in each washing cycle, so don't overdo it. Number 5. When you go to use the detergent and the softener, never fill the compartments to the brim. Most of the detergent packs will tell you the exact amount you need to use for each liter of water, so it makes no sense to waste the soap and the softener. In this way, we also protect the water and the environment from contamination. Number 6. While it is true that the softener gives a rich smell to the clothes, these should not be used in each wash, especially when you go to wash the towels. This is because when using the softener on towels, it enters the fibers and wears them out, making the towels much less absorbent over time.